Hello again. We now know the famous urge to resolve within the dominant seventh chord. However, this chord has not just one, but four different faces. Today, guided by Percy Gochius, we will examine the inversions of the dominant seventh. Depending on which note we use in the bass part, the character of the music changes. Since the dominant seventh chord consists of four tones, G, B, D, and F, we have three different inversions in addition to the root position. The first inversion, known as the 6-5 chord, here, the third of the chord, the note B, is in the bass. This inversion feels the most exciting and closest to the tonic. The second inversion, known as the 4-3 chord, the fifth of the chord, the note D, is in the bass. This provides a more balanced and smooth transition. The third inversion, known as the 4-2 chord, this is the most dramatic. The seventh itself, the note F, is in the bass. Gochius emphasizes that this chord must always resolve downward to the first inversion of the tonic. Regardless of the inversion, the characteristic tones must perform their duties. The seventh, F, no matter which part it is in, it always moves one step down to the note E. The leading tone, B, if it is not in the bass, it generally rises to the note C. However, if it is in the bass part, it must move to the tonic note C. Inversions allow the bass line to move step by step like a melody, rather than jumping in giant leaps. According to Gochius, this is the true beginning of musical composition. In our next lesson, we will learn about secondary chords and their seventh versions. See you then.